Open browser, go to portal.azure.com, log in using your Microsoft account. Click Create Resource. Under the category, click Databases. Then below to the title, Azure Database for Postgres Flexible Server, click Create. I am using student subscription. Then create a new resource group, say db_resources. Then OK. Now give the name for the server. So here I use b-server. Choose a nearby region, then workload type, development. Then authentication method, Postgres authentication. Enter admin username. And remember this username and password. The password must be at least 8 characters, and you can follow all the instructions to create the password. Click Next Networking. And connectivity method, it should be public access. And firewall rules say that at current client IP address. So only from this IP address the communication will be accepted. Now we are setting up the security. I am going with the default values. You may prefer to use tags. Then create. And you can see the status. The deployment is in progress. It may take 4 to 6 minutes. And now we can click Go to Resources. And here you can see the server name on top right. Next, I am going to open the PG admin, and from here we are going to connect our cloud database. Now click Add New Server. You can give some name for the new server. Then go to Connection. And here we should not give localhost IP address. We have to take the server name from our cloud portal, that is b-server. You can see that name. And we need the port number. So for that, go to Connect, copy the port number, paste it, and the username, the name which we set on our cloud, and give the same username and password here. Now go to Parameters tab, SSL mode, value should be recur. Now click Save. Yeah, our remote database is connected, and the next video we will see how we can connect it with Spring Boot.